This week's top stories include: is shipping from China about to get a lot more expensive? Walmart tackles convenience to entice holiday shoppers, and toy manufacturer supply chains uprooted after Toys R Us liquidation. Remember to click the link below for the full stories and 2 other featured articles. First up, is shipping from China about to get a lot more expensive? President Trump plans to withdraw from the Universal Postal Treaty. Under the treaty, the U.S. subsidizes international shipping for small parcels sent from China to the U.S. This has made it cheap for Chinese manufacturers to ship directly to U.S. consumers. But American manufacturers don't receive the same benefits, and many believe this discrepancy gives Chinese sellers an unfair advantage over their American counterparts. Chinese companies now make up about 60% of packages shipped into the U.S., and many websites offer free shipping from China due to the low rates. But many experts see this as an attempt to pressure China and negotiate better terms, rather than an actual attempt to leave the treaty. Next up, Walmart tackles convenience to entice holiday shoppers. Walmart is making serious changes to its shipping policy in a bid to win over holiday shoppers. Changes take effect mid-November and include expanded 2-day shipping and in-store returns of third-party Walmart Marketplace orders. Customers returned $90 billion worth of goods last holiday season. Returning gifts is a headache many shoppers anticipate ahead of the holiday season. Preventing this headache, in addition to expanded shipping options, demonstrates Walmart's move towards a customer-centric shopping experience. This mindset is a great tactic for any seller hoping to draw in holiday shoppers. Last up, toy manufacturer supply chains uprooted after Toys R Us liquidation. Toys R Us accounted for 15 to 20% of U.S. toy sales last year. But this holiday season will be the first without a Toys R Us in almost 70 years. Sales at Hasbro Inc. dropped 7% in the US and Canada and 24% in international markets in the last quarter. The company credits this fall to the loss of Toys R Us and inability to meet shipping demands for new retailers. Hasbro is working through the challenges of new retailers in liquidation, but the Toys R Us closure will likely have a major impact on the entire toy industry this holiday season. Toys R Us would buy large quantities of toys at a time to fill its warehouses. But with the superstore's closure, Hasbro can't rely on large orders in advance any longer. Walmart, Target, and Costco are among brick-and-mortar stores increasing shelf space for toys. Online retailers will also be vying for space in the disrupted market. Those are just the top 3 stories from this week. To read the other 2, follow the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week on Best in Manufacturing.